Hello everyone, this is your host Saurav Pathak and welcome to the 5th episode of Developer Experience Show. Our guests today, Mr. Lester and Charles from Raemulan, which is a real estate company in Philippines. So today we are going to discuss with them about the platform they are building, which is going to provide so much help for the customer looking for properties in Philippines and how they are actually using Bagisto to solve their problem. So welcome Lester, welcome Charles on the show. So for the audience, could you give a bit of a small introduction about yourself?
Thanks for having us, Saurabh. My name is Lester, and I'm a Laravel developer, and I've been doing projects since its inception, like 2013, I think. And I have my own company, and late last year I was hired by Raemulan to head their dev team in order for them to come up with its own CRM, actually, not eCommerce, but CRM. And Charles?
Hi everyone, I'm Charles Hernandez from Raemulan Lands. So I've been a web programmer since the last decade. So initially I was a coding Igniter developer, but right now there's a shift in power to convert my tech stack into Laravel. I'm also one of the backend developer in our company with the help of Sir Lester Hurtado in creating a real estate solutions on our company. So that's it, sir.
So a lot of developers are moving into Laravel right now. That's a good thing to see. So talking about Raemulan, it's like a real estate business there in Philippines, right? So could you just let us know, our viewers, more on the insights of the real estate business that is growing in Philippines and how you are looking forward to capture that market?
Yes. In the Philippines, we have like 110 million over a very small but sprawling area. But a good 90% of that don't have their own houses yet. But we have a program called Pag-ibig in the Philippines where we finance housing projects. And Raemulan is in the forefront of providing financing to these borrowers.
Okay.
So, and I think with the new government that we have, they would want to build 1 million houses every year. But for now, our contribution is around 20,000 Raemulan of that 1 million. So we're still far from going to that level yet. So there's still much to be done.
Okay. See, purchasing a house is still very big deal for a number of customers, right? And most important before that is searching a right property at a right location, right?
Yes.
So what do you think, how technology is solving that problem for the users, that they can easily search the property and they can get all the details and finalize everything just on the platform only? So how do you think technology is helping these users?
First, sometimes technology is mudding up everything. The right technology who's going to work for the users. Since this is the age of the internet, they would probably see ads from Facebook, LinkedIn, and all, and they would always want to have a landing page.
Yes.
Okay, so it's not enough for them to get a phone number or an email or even a chatbot. They would want to find out for themselves how the house looks like, how much does it cost, can I afford it, so these are the kinds of features that they're looking for. And technology right now affords them to be able to find the house, the right house for themselves, without going to the sellers themselves.
Definitely. So how does this idea came into the mind that we need to build a storefront and and allow users to come on the site. And how did you came with a solution that okay, this is a solution that we are going to make use of, like Bagisto or CRM as a crane, that we are going to make use of this solution to build a platform? Like, did you done any research before that, or how did you come into this conclusion that you're going to make use of this solution?
Actually, it came to us like by happenstance because I was actually looking for a CRM,
Okay.
remember, and then you suggested that maybe you need an e-commerce server to go with your CRM before you can actually do a CRM. So what's this Bagisto thing? So I think I found a package of Bagisto in packages.org, and then I took a look at it, and then I actually installed it, and then oh, this is a full-fledged e-commerce system, and maybe you're right that I should start with the e-commerce part before going to CRM, so that the users should be able to browse a catalog. And this is fairly a new thing in the Philippines because we have Shopee and Lazada, those e-commerce sites that are selling shoes and t-shirts, but nobody's actually selling houses
Through an
through an e-commerce
Okay.
system. They have like uh, catalogs for houses, but they cannot actually reserve there. I mean, they can just find the house there and then call the brokerage themselves. So yeah, I think you guided me. I mean, when we talked to get to the to use Bagisto, and I think we made the right decision.
And for me, I think this is a game changer as well because Sir Lester mentioned that in the Philippines there's no e-commerce for real estate, and then this is the first time that an actual real estate company use an e-commerce platform to serve our clients to sell as easy as 1, 2, 3 like that. Yeah.
So talking about, like you told that you moved from CA to Laravel, right? So if I talk about, like, is there anything specific that you liked with the Laravel as a platform, or maybe like Bagisto as a package, which motivated you to shift your tech stack from CI to Laravel, and then on Laravel to work on Bagisto? Is there something like especially you notified and then start working on it?
So number one that I am fascinated with Laravel shifting from Codeigniter to Laravel is that the community.
Yeah.
The community is wide and then they are so helpful, supportive, and then there's a lot of people that's been using Laravel nowadays. And then second are the packages that you can use in an instant, because before everything you need to do it from scratch. But right now, because of the help of packages, you can install many packages as long as you want whatever you need from them. And third is the Bagisto. Looking on the Bagisto code is so clean, and then everything is on package, well intact. Everything is customizable. That's why shifting from Codeigniter to Laravel is a great move for me, especially on my side.
That's great to get insight on that. So Lester, like right now a lot of work is going on AI, and a lot of tools are coming out in the market like GPT and language model. Talking about your platform, like what roadmap do you see with your platform in which you can make use of these tools to provide more user-friendly interfaces for your customer and get more traction on the website?
Actually, my motto here is frictionless.
Okay.
I would like everything to be frictionless, starting from minimal or if no data entry from the user. So we wanted to do that. And Bagisto is inherently customizable from start to finish. I've seen the code, and just like what Charles said, everything is in like packages inside. So coming up with a new feature like using AI he's very welcome for us, especially in the reporting. We still need to see it, but I think it's gonna work with a lot of data, rich data being culled from the database.
So thank you, Charles. Thank you, Lester, for sharing your insights on the platform and letting our users know more about the platform which is going to cater and the solution that you have in our roadmap. So thank you for giving your time here, and we really appreciate it. We really want to enjoy a lot here in India as long as you are here. Okay. So thank you so much for your time.
Welcome, and thank you as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.